A human can hear human anarchy I'm describing with pheromones and hormones and stinky smells and stimulating scents with sound. Whispers and voices and talking and none of the noise making sense in outer space. Having what I've had for 16 years to learn and achieve, to accomplish similar goals with now what's described as active inference. Life in humans, in less than 30 years, has gotten so confusing and gosh darn bizarre. An alien would be as lost as I am, having lived 38 years on this object in outer space. With what humans have available and what they've decided instead and chosen emotionally, physically and spiritually, to do with their time, precious and limited, they spend tirelessly working, interacting socially in the world and on their objects on a no-gender earth in Washington State. While also declaring martial law with no free speech, no freedom in silence other than to work in silence, not only on a task, but to not hallucinate and lose inspiration and motivation, noticing and hearing, smelling, and occasionally seeing. Human anarchy. Instead of love, beauty, music, art, and serendipity. I'm only 38 years old, and I feel as dead as an elder who's an elderly human, cared for by these other humans who have made these decisions and choices. I cannot reconcile within health and medicine and explain verbally or non-verbally within 15 minutes. An internet website requires as a limit within their predetermined behavior requirements. They dominate on their, them, and their, they website. You can see and hear and feel and experience within their light, energy, and electricity. In silence.